Hey guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how I use flaxseed gel in my wash day routine, and in today's video I'll be using it as a hair mask. So before I go into using the hair mask, I'm going to give you guys a quick rundown on how I made the flaxseed gel. So firstly, I'm just going to pour in 3 cups of water into a pot and boil it. Next, I'm going to add in half a cup of flaxseed into the boiling water. You can use any kind of flaxseed you have, but I'm using the brown flaxseed. Then I'm also going to stir the flaxseed as it's boiling. This should be on low heat. When the water starts frothing on the surface, just know that your flaxseed gel is ready. Then you turn off the gas and let the gel sit for a little while before you strain out the seeds. And this is how the gel is looking like. It's very thick. So now that we are done making the flaxseed gel, next step is application. So how I'm going to apply this hair mask, I'm going to be applying it on clean hair. So I'm just going to wash out my hair, and I washed out my hair using a shampoo. This is my hair right after I've washed it. And now it's just to apply the gel. I'm going to be applying it in small sections rather, on my hair strands, not on my scalp. In the process of applying the gel, I'm also going to be detangling my hair using my fingers, so to remove any knot. This is half of my hair coated in the gel, and this is my whole hair coated with the gel. And as you can see, my hair is really bouncy, and I was really feeling myself with the way I was shaking it like that. My hair is really makes my hair really bouncy, and it actually brings out the curls in my hair. I don't know if you guys can actually see it, but if you look closely, you actually see some curl patterns there. So next thing is to just let the gel sit in my hair for 30 minutes, but you can let yours sit for more than that. This is my hair after 30 minutes. It definitely brought out my curl pattern, but it didn't make my hair soft. But it did strengthen my hair because my hair felt a lot more strengthened. There was little breakage. So now I'm just going to rinse out the gel, and it comes off really easy. Flaxseed has a lot of benefits. It strengthens the hair, it reduces breakage, it promotes hair growth, and it also prevents dandruff for people that have dry scalp like me. Flaxseed can also be used on the skin. It hydrates the skin and it reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So this is your cue to actually use flaxseed. So now I've rinsed out the flaxseed gel. Like I said earlier, it actually comes off really easy and it doesn't stain or leave any slimy feeling on the skin or on your clothes. So next I'm going to hydrate my hair using a leave-in conditioner and a whipped shea butter that I made. I'll leave a link to that video in the description. And I'm doing this because the flaxseed gel was a little bit drying, though it did what it was supposed to do, but it did not leave my hair feeling very soft like I thought it would. So I'm using this to put in moisture back into my hair because I didn't do a deep conditioning treatment in this video. So I'll advise you actually do a deep conditioning treatment. So next I'm going to comb and braid my hair up. So that's what I just do for the rest of my hair. This was actually my first time trying out flaxseed gel, and I'll actually be using it again because it left my hair really strengthened. There was little breakage because this was just the amount of hair I lost in the whole process. And yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you if you made it to the end, and I'll see you in my next video. And please subscribe.